As Bergen continues to expand efforts that enhance campus inclusivity, the college hosted its inaugural Hindu Heritage Month celebration. Timed to coincide with Diwali, organizer and staff member Amarjit Kaur said the event promotes cultural learning.
So why heritage? Why it's important for students to know their heritage? It brings identification and belongingness. They identify who they are, where they came from, and where they need to go. So it's very important to bring those kind of opportunities and events for students to learn more about where they came from.
Students such as Alenzo Connor appreciated the opportunity to learn about Hindu culture.
I think it's very important to celebrate every heritage because it's good to know that so all people can learn about the other culture.
Members of the Horticulture program, past and present, including Professor Steve Fisher, celebrated 50 years of making Bergen County a greener place. The event featured remarks from members of the program's first graduating class, commendations by elected officials, and a visit from New Jersey Secretary of Agriculture, Ed Wingren.
It really is an honor to be here. 50 years of horticulture at a community college is kind of a record in New Jersey. I believe other schools have tried to dabble, programs have come and gone, but to have one exist and continue to grow and produce professionals in the industry is really something remarkable, and you should really be proud of it.
Respiratory care student Salome Jimenez has received the $5,000 Healthcare Scholars United Scholarship from the Hispanic Association of Colleges and Universities. The scholarship recognizes academic excellence, community engagement, and commitment to improving health outcomes in diverse communities. Jimenez is actively involved in clinical training and has participated in advocacy initiatives to advance diversity and innovation in healthcare. We discussed the importance of the scholarship with her.
I actually super happy. When I saw that, I was like really happy and emotional because it's not little money, especially when you're a student. Instead of going to work and want for this money, I can study for actually coming to school, more focus about it, have a better grades.
The college welcomed members of the Professor Emeritus Association back to campus for their annual conference. The retirees earned the rank after their storied careers at the institution. Foundation staff member and event organizer Asha Moore said the conference gives back to those who gave so much.
The Emeriti have been super supportive, super kind, and just passing down information, discussing just like the importance of the college, its history, and all the work they put into it to make it what it is today.
Professor Emerita Lois Sullivan talked about the importance of the association.
We focus on what is happening on campus and how it's impacting on the community. And I am happy to be here today. I'm still enthused after how many years?
Fall is open house season at Bergen. Visit the main campus on Thursday, November 13th, anytime from 3 to 6 p.m. to meet faculty, tour campus, and learn about financial aid and tuition-free college opportunities. RSVP at openhouse.bergen.edu. At the Nourish and Flourish event, co-hosted by the Wellness and Exercise Science and Nursing departments, students learned about the powerful connection between nutrition, brain health, and the body. Professor Diana Constantino shared some tips with us.
It's important, especially during stress time, that they choose the right food, especially the brain food, which is the fruits and vegetable, and not those sugary drinks or those sugary, unnecessary calories. So we want to educate them.
Students and organizers were unanimous in their recommendations for good health. The advice?
Nourish and Flourish!
You can take the teacher out of the classroom, but you can't take the classroom out of the teacher. President Eric Friedman returned to his faculty roots by delivering a Bergen Salon lecture on the Great Society. Time's up for now. We'll see you next month on Studio Bergen Remix.